Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel, The Terrace Kitchen. Today we'll see the recipe of easy summer cooler Nimbu Pani in 4 different ways. Though all of them taste amazing, my personal favorite is the one with Saunff. Do let me know in the comment section which one did you like the most. If you like this recipe, do give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Now let's take a look at the recipe. We'll start with the first variety of the Nimbu Pani. So here I've taken 400 ml chilled water. To make it extra chilled, I've added some ice cubes. Now add juice from one big lemon. Later you can taste this Nimbu Pani and adjust the lemon if you want to increase it. Now add 3 tablespoons sugar. Give this a good stir till the sugar is dissolved in the water. So our first variety is ready. Now moving to the next one, again take 400 ml chilled water with some ice cubes. To this add juice from one big lemon. Again you can adjust the lemon juice later. This one's my favorite. Now add 3 tablespoons sugar. Now comes the ingredient which makes this Nimbu Pani my favorite. In a mortar and pestle, take 1 1/4 teaspoon fennel or saunff. Crush it a bit. Make a coarse powder out of it. Saunff has cooling property. It keeps the body very cool in summer. So this one's my favorite and it tastes awesome. My mom makes it this way. Now give this a good mix till the sugar is dissolved. Serve this Nimbu Pani chilled. It tastes really awesome. This one's a different among the other types of Nimbu Pani. Do give this a try. Now the third type, again 400 ml water with some ice cubes in it. 3 tablespoons sugar. Juice from one big lemon. You can also add a pinch of salt to the Nimbu Pani, any of the 4 varieties which we are looking at. Now here comes the Jaljira powder. So I'm adding 1 1/2 teaspoon of Jaljira powder. This is a ready-made Jaljira powder. You can use any brand's powder. Give this a good mix. And our third variety is also ready. How easy was that? Now the final one, again 400 ml water, 3 tablespoons sugar, juice from one big lemon, now here I've taken 1 tablespoon grated ginger or kaddukas kiya hua adrak. So this is the grater which I used. Now with your fingers squeeze the juice out of this ginger. You can use this discarded part to make chai. Now here I've taken 1 tablespoon mint. I had soaked these in ice cold water so that these remain fresh. Add it to a mortar and pestle and muddle it. Do not make paste of the pudina. Now add it to the water. Do not waste anything. Give this a good mix till the sugar is dissolved. We saw 4 ways to make easy peasy Nimbu Pani to keep you cool in the summer. Give this a try and enjoy.